Welcome to this ReservHub tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to set business hours and time slots for your restaurant. From the restaurant dashboard, open Hours and Time Slots from the left menu. This page includes regular business hours, special hours, blocked dates and times, and suggested online bookings. To create a new regular schedule, select New Regular Hours. The Add Business Hours window will open. Start by choosing the service type. This can be used to define when your restaurant is open for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or other services. Next, choose the day of the week you want to configure. Now set the opening time and closing time. These times control when reservations can be accepted for that service period. You can also configure booking rules such as minimum and maximum party size, table availability, and booking status. If required, add advance booking rules, such as minimum notice, maximum advance booking time, and conflict handling. You can also add a note for this schedule. This is useful for internal information or service-specific instructions. When all details are complete, select Save. The business hours are now added to the regular business hours list. If the same schedule applies to other days, use Copy to Other Days. Select the days you want to copy the hours to, then confirm the action. ReservHub will apply the same business hours and time slot rules to the selected days. After the schedule is created, you can review each day from the list. You can copy, edit, or delete individual time periods whenever needed. Your business hours and time slots are now configured in ReservHub, ready to control online bookings and restaurant availability.